Fridge Light, did you know I've been watching you this whole time? Fridge Light, every 3 a.m. pizza and ice cream combo. Every cold leftover eaten straight from the container. Fridge Light, I've seen it all. Fridge Light, and honestly, I'm disgusted. Fridge Light, you think nobody knows about your midnight shame eating? Think again. Fridge Light, I could tell everyone, your friends, your family, your co-workers. Fridge Light, why do you think I flicker sometimes? That's me trying to save you from yourself. Fridge Light, follow for more talking objects.